Good afternoon. It's February 28th, about 2:25 p.m. the year 2023. I'm biking at Big Cove Creek Greenway and stopped here at the Hayes Nature Preserve picnic area along the Flint River. 65 degrees, very mid-spring-like, not at all winter, which calendar-wise we are still in, but no question about it, it is not a winter-like day. Lots of oak here, sycamore, sweet gum. This is a eastern red cedar standing right along the shoreline. Looking back, an old slough there on the left, but mature bottomland hardwood. Very swampy out there right now. A lot of privet in the understory, which is a shame. This is upstream, and hard to believe, but in the opposite direction is downstream. The Flint is bound for the Tennessee River. The Flint flashes pretty easily when we get big winter rains. It's been almost a week since the last rain, so the river is contained well within its banks. Just a beautiful day to inhale the elixir that is nature. There goes the bike trail, pedestrian trail over the river downstream. Sometimes the video is better without my narrative. Look at that sky, just an incredible afternoon. A great place to be. I have it all to myself for what that's worth. Been a good many people biking and strolling along the Greenway. We have about 2 minutes in, so I'm going to bring this to close. There goes a bicycler on the other side of the river. That's it from Steve Jones, February 28th, 2023 at about 2:30 p.m.